हेलो
हमें फोन्स देख लेते हैं।
मिलेंगे ना? कौन सा देख रहे हैं मैम?
कोई सा
Samsung?
लेटेस्ट दिखा दीजिए।
ये आएगा सैमसंग S24 अल्ट्रा 16 Pro Max।
अरे ये तो मेड इन इंडिया है।
आपको नहीं पता है?
नहीं ये नहीं
एकदम लेटेस्ट मॉडल से मेड इन इंडिया के साथ।
ये भी मेड इन इंडिया
यस,
है।
ऑल आर मेड इन इंडिया।
अरे तुझे नहीं पता, पहले हम लोग चाइना और कोरिया से मोबाइल लेते थे, लेकिन आफ्टर कोविड इंडिया स्टार्टेड एक्सपोर्टिंग एंड पीएलआई स्कीम्स वगैरह भी आ गया है। रुक, मैं कॉल करती हूँ। Hello, yeah, this is Diksha from Machine Maker. I have heard that you have special sections for electronic industry for IMTEX.
Yes, we are.
Yeah, may I know who is on the line?
My name is Akshata Kini.
Great, Akshita. Can we come and meet you in the next week?
Yes, you can come.
Perfect.
Yeah, okay, thank you.
Hi. I'm Diksha. Remember mom, I called you 1 week back as ANCA is exhibiting a special section for semiconductor and electronic industry. I would like to know more about it.
Oh yeah, I do remember. I can take you to my country head. He can give you more information on that. It's his cabin. Please meet him there.
Oh, sure.
No problem. Thank you. No problem.
Hi. Yeah, please come. Please. Yeah, how are you?
I'm great, sir. How are you?
Good. Happy New Year.
To you too, sir.
Yes. How I can help you?
As we heard that you are participating in IMTEX and you are showcasing a special section on electronics.
Yeah.
So can you tell us more about that?
Yeah, of course. We are participating in IMTEX. We are at hall number 4, stall number B110. We have a specific focused area for the 3C. You know 3C? 3C is the computer electronics, consumer electronics and communication electronics. Something like mobile phones, watches, computers, servers, all are part of the 3C. India is booming like anything in the electronics. Government is focusing too much on the electronics and 3C markets. With our experience in other part of the world, we are supporting to the Indian cutting tool manufacturers. In 3C, we are not directly manufacturing anything, but we are contributing for the tool requirement, cutting tool requirements. So, especially for the special tools, profile tools, small size tools, we have a lot of experience and we are demonstrating it in IMTEX. So please come. I'll show you some of the example. What kind of what is ANCA's contribution for the 3C industry. So he is Shreyas. He is our application engineer, senior application engineer. He works with many cutting tool players, those who are using ANCA machine, and he gives the trainings, he gives the explanation to the customer how to produce the high quality tool. You can look at the different types of tools. These are very small 0.3 tools. So even if you can see, it's very small. With eye you cannot see it. So you can see such a small tools. We are producing in on ANCA machine in the highest precision. The surface finish is like a mirror. So that's the thing.
0.3 mm ball nose end mill.
It's called a ball nose end mill, and the 6 millimeter, the bigger size. You can see it's a very beautiful tools with the highest accuracy which you are producing. So you can see it's a grinded finish, but it's like a mirror finish. So again, other than this, you can see there are a lot of special tools which can be used for the 3C market. Drills, end mills, profile tools are using.
I'm curious to know what is cutting tools major watches.
Look, cutting tool directly not producing watches, because for example any of the watches, for example I just take an example of this watch.
Okay.
This is a metal piece. So in a solid piece it has to produce this shape. So there is a milling operation, drilling operations are there. If you have some holes like this, you have to make these tools for the making the holes. Not only this, inside also. The similar way, If you want to make some complex tools, some shapes you want to make, you can make the complex tools. Similar way, if you have a shape like this, you can easily produce these tools, and your production of this one will be very easy. So just like this, you can produce the tools. This is a plastic one, but if you are in a metal one, you have to produce such shapes. So that is very important for getting into that. Yes, why don't you tell them how critical is these tools and how the manufacturing process works?
Yeah. So now we have seen what the capability of our machine, like what are the different type of tools we can grind on our machine. So when we go to the smaller diameters, the cutting edge quality and the surface finish and the accuracy is very much important. To maintain this, you need a very high quality machine also. So this is FX5 Ultra. So this has got some patented features like MTC and nanometer control level, laser for measurement. So these are the main features which gives good quality tools. And also we have a grinding method, process control. We have a best practice to manufacture quality tools like a small diameter and the profile tools, ball nose and mills, maybe square and mill or drill.
Laser is equipped in this machine. What does it actually do?
We have laser ultra. We can measure the tools inside the machine and we can compensate the profile as well. So the main purpose of this laser is to measure and compensate during the grinding process.
So, as we're using grinding, how do you balance?
So this is a grinding wheel. Before coming to the machine, we prepare this wheel outside the machine. We clamp the wheels, mount everything. Then we take the exact values from the qualification, and then we mount on the machine. So you can see here the screw.
Right.
So we will add the weight and we balance the wheels. Now I will show you the interface. You can see. So this is a screen of the iBalance software.
So I hope you understand this thing. So it's not so simple for making the small tools. It's required not only the machine, the other peripherals also. So ANCA's main focus is complete process support to the customers. So other than the 3C, we are also have other industries also we are focusing. Please come, I will show you the other part. You know what is this?
No, sir.
So have you heard about the knee replacement, hip replacement? This is a femoral board which is going inside the human body.
Okay.
So this is produced on ANCA machine. So that's an application. Not only this, we are also have a lot of machines working for your dental surgeries, dental drills, you know, root canal.
Yeah.
So it works like this. You can see it's like a mirror finish.
Yes.
If you are not, if the surface is not good, you cannot walk.
Right. Oh.
So this is the medical industry. We are very closely working with many companies, and you can see these. How do you look like this? It's like a Christmas tree.
Yes. Yeah.
This is
Like
called
a
a
Christmas tree.
this is called a Christmas tree cutter.
Okay.
So
Why
it's
so?
lot because its shape is Christmas. Many companies are using ANCA machines to produce this tool. This is mainly using in aerospace and power sector. These are the punches, multiple step drills. These are in automotive, die mold industries. So we are across the industry. ANCA is supporting to the manufacturing industry by giving a high quality machines for producing the cutting tools.
If you have a dream to make high quality, high precision tools, definitely take time and do visit ANCA at IMTEX 2025. See you there.